I was searching you. How are you, sir?
So how are you, sir?
I'm good, sir. I'm good. Thank
Okay,
you
okay,
for
that's
asking.
great.
What about you, sir? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm also very fine. Thank you for asking. And
Okay.
I'm very happy to see you again. So, sir, right now you are hometown or you are in abroad?
I am in abroad, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great, sir. I'm very happy. So, please introduce yourself because yes, I know very well you, but it will be better for new learners, new co-learners. You can say who want to learn English, who want to improve their English. They are interested to learn this language. So, because of them, please introduce
Yeah, yeah,
yourself. They will
yeah.
follow
Really,
your
sir.
videos. They will get lots of tricks from you.
Mhm.
That's why.
So really, I like to introduce myself. So, well, I'm Rahir. I'm from Bihar, but I have been working in Kuwait for a long time, including my hobby. I love learning English, meeting new people, and traveling. Moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English content, and I believe that learning English is the foundation of success. That is why I put 100% effort into learning English. Thank you so much.
Okay, okay, that's great, sir. So, right now it is my turn, and as you know, this is Prem Singh Rawat connecting from Uttarakhand, and my district is Pauri Gadwal.
Mhm.
And right now, I'm connecting with you from my born and brought up place. It is my house, ancestral house, you can say. And by profession, I'm English teacher in private school at Janta Intermediate College, Androli. It is situated in the district of Pauri Gadwal, and development block is Naini Danda, and Tehsil is Dumakot. And
Mhm.
regarding my hobbies, I like playing cricket and reading books about my positive personality traits. So
Mhm.
I am, you can say, optimistic, soft-spoken, and optimistic person. And if I
Wow.
talk my negative personality traits, so I'm, you can say, honest person, and I can't bear any kind of indiscipline. That's it from my side, sir.
Wow, that is great. That's great. Okay, it is very important that you are optimistic person. Right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have been seeing you for a long time. You are improving. Yes, you are talking to different person. So
Yeah, yeah.
what is the reason? What is the reason behind that, sir? You are English teacher. So what do you want to do in your life?
Yeah, 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 yeah. You are absolutely right. You are good question, sir. Actually, the reason, strong reason is that, sir, first of all, I'm English teacher. So it is
Mhm.
my duty to speak correct English, fluent speak, with among my students. And because they follow the teachers and they, do activities according to atmosphere. So I want to improve English atmosphere for my students. And
Mhm.
second thing is that I am from India, you are from Bihar, but we are speaking English. So Hindi is our native language, Gadwali is my mother tongue, so Gadwali in my blood, Hindi in my blood as a Indian. Okay, so English has become the international language. You are in, basically you are from Bihar, but right now you are in foreign country for job purpose. That's why English is compulsory to convey to, because it offers job opportunity. That's why it is very important. So as a English teacher, it is very necessary for me to become a fluent speaker. And I am from village. I have taken my all education in Hindi medium, Gadwal University. So every time we speak our local dialect, Gadwali, Kumani, Jonsari, and Hindi mostly. Even in school, my school is Hindi medium school, but no problem. It is not any issue, any matter that my school is Hindi medium and I am from Hindi medium. But practice is necessary, and as per scenario, English is mandatory, because we have to visit here and there. Our technical language in English, our, universities provide the education mostly in this language. It is international language. Suppose my students in future, they have to visit in foreign country for as a, job purpose, tourist purpose, and you can say any scientist purpose and education purpose, you can say. So at that time English is required. That's why I am improving my English. I'm doing practice every day. I'm consistently using this platform to become
Mhm.
fluent speaker. These are the
Okay,
strong reasons, sir.
okay, that's great, sir.
Mm,
Definitely,
yeah.
your answer is very remarkable. So, sir, do you take plain English and only grammar?
No, I teach, I teach class ninth to 12th. So, literature also and grammar, speaking. So, I
Both.
have divided my time, sir. Mostly our syllabus compel us to complete our syllabus only for literature and grammar. But as per my, moral duty, I try to create English atmosphere for speaking purpose. So I have divided my time, sir. Sometime I teach literature, grammar, and speaking atmosphere.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm satisfied. I'm getting good response from the side of my students. They are getting good knowledge. They are able to speak English. They are improving their English also. They are interested to learn this language. They are doing hard work. And as a teacher, I am, you can say I'm a role model for my students. And because no pains, no gains. There is a saying, no pains, no gains. If we will not do hard work, so how we can achieve our goal, how we can, you can say, achieve anything. So that's why hard work is key of the success. That's why I'm doing
Definitely.
hard work, especially for my students. And teacher never teacher teachers are never teachers, they are always students. So I do
Mm-hmm.
teacher play different types of role.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime actor, sometime
Yeah,
leader,
mother
sometime
role,
farmer,
father
sometime
role,
parent,
right?
sometime
Kind role,
grandparent.
right, right, right.
Yeah,
You have to make them politely, right? You have to make them
yeah,
understand very politely. I know very
yeah.
well. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. So, sir, it is. You can say you are studying there, which is hilly area.
Yeah. It is, I'm from Uttarakhand district, Pauri Gadwal. So Pauri Gadwal is, completely mountain area. You can see the background scenery here, So it is
Right,
my
my God.
village
Okay.
and it is a mountain area. And,
Right.
up we have to visit sometime we have climb up and down. So
Okay,
in
okay,
upside there is a, you can say, water pump there, water house, and you can say pump house. And
okay.
roadways bus started in the morning time at 6 a.m.
Oh
From
my God.
this location to our capital Dehradun.
Oh, that's great. It is very amazing. It look like
Yeah.
it look like very amazing, sir.
Yeah. Because it is my ancestral land, sir. I am habitual to survive in this area, and
Okay.
it is my born and brought up place. I spent my childhood in this area. I have
Okay.
taken my
Okay.
all education in area. I am English teacher also in this same area.
Mhm.
So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel proud, sir, because I am using my knowledge to
Mhm.
for my locality.
Okay, that's there. And
Yeah.
you are habitual to climb on the hill, right?
Yeah. I'm habitual. Yes, and
Mhm.
other thing is that in rainy season, little bit we face little bit issues, landsliding, plus flood, and earthquake. But we are habitual. We are mentally prepared as per season, as per occasion, as per condition. We manage everything. We arrange as per the season. Fuel, cloth, food, medicine.
Wow, great, great. Definitely, you are surviving very luxurious life, son. That's great.
No, I do not survive. I do not survive in luxury life, but you can say natural life. You can say, because we
Yeah.
are connected 24
Mm.
hours with the nature.
Right, right. Understood, understood, sir. Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. So where
So,
is
sir,
your? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ask me.
go ahead, please.
I'm saying that. Then where is your house?
Yeah, this is my house. I'm at that, on the roof, and it is the old house. It is the
Ah,
made
okay,
of,
okay, okay. So you are on the
yeah.
roof, huh?
Yeah, I'm on the roof, and my house is made of local clay, local wood, and
Oh my
local
God.
stone.
Okay,
You
okay,
can
that's great. Okay, okay.
yeah,
You know, yes, yes. My side, it is called, khapra, khapra. Okay.
kapra. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, but
It,
we call in you can say kapra in it is
yes, yes.
called in your local language kapra, but in our
Mm.
local language it is called patalu.
Okay, partly. Okay, okay. It is sold, it is sold. I think. What can I say? It is made by sold.
Yeah,
Soil,
no,
soil.
no. It is made by stone. You can say it is pure stone.
Okay,
It is
it is
pure
stone.
stone. Yeah,
Mm. Okay, okay.
and
So,
my grandparents arranged this type of stones, khapra, patalu for So
wow, that's good.
you can say we
Okay.
get it local from this area.
Okay, okay. Okay. Kapra is, other thing. Okay. Stone is other
Yeah.
different thing.
Khapra is the other thing. I think it is made of you can say
Soil,
cement
soil.
and clay like
Not,
this.
not soil.
Soil,
Kapra is
soil. Okay.
soil.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So
Okay.
basically in Bihar, sir, which district do you belong and any specialty over there? And how long have you been working in foreign country, especially where are you exact time and what do you do there?
Okay. So basically, my district is Madhubani. Okay.
Hmm.
I used to earlier initially I used to work in Mumbai, so I had
Okay.
some difficulty the circumstances. So I
Hmm.
thought I could go somewhere other country. Okay, then I
Hmm.
made plan. After that, I thought, actually I wanted to become rich person by hook and by crook, isn't it?
Hmm. Okay.
So I
Hmm.
thought, okay, if I leave after that, I can earn money, na? Okay, without
Hmm.
leaving
Yeah.
our country, how can I live? How can I earn?
Correct.
After that,
Hmm.
I got my passport made. Then I have come to Kuwait. And if I
Hmm.
say how many months I have been living in Kuwait, so I have been living in Kuwait for last 10 years. It's been 10 years. And still I am here. But
Hmm.
after 1 year, 2 years, I go to my native place. I meet my family. And I stay for 3 months. Then I come back because my job is here and I do work in Kuwait. That is why I have come here. It is not my compulsion, okay? But
Hmm.
my job is
Hmm.
here. That is why I have to come here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, have you faced any problem in earlier time when you visit in foreign country regarding especially English speaking?
Hmm. Yeah, when I came to first time, so I faced problem because I knew neither Arabic nor English language, so I faced many problems. When I called my boss, first time, so I was not able to understand. Then I thought, I have come here to job purpose. Then I have to learn. Then I should learn in Arabic language and English language. So first I chose Arabic language because Arabic
Hmm.
is spoken in the Kuwait. So first I learned Arabic language. After that, I was not getting time to learn English language. Then I thought, what should I do? Okay, so then at that time, you can say I was not getting time. Then yeah, my salary was not too much, so I called my boss that please increase my salary. He told me no, I'm not going to increase your salary. Then I said, okay, I want a release. Then he gave me release. After that, I came this place where I am. So I started getting time. So I thought, I should learn English. After that, I made plan and I started learning English. And it's been 2 years. I have been improving my English communication, and I'm talking with a different person. I'm enjoying.
Okay, so
So,
which type of tricks and tips and sources have you followed, sir, to improve your English? Because you are speaking good English, and I had it conversation 2 3 times with you. I'm feeling comfortable to talk with you. So, how did you improve your English? Because new learners want to know the tricks from your side
mm.
regarding this
Obviously,
speaking
okay,
language.
okay. I'm going to tell you about my English journey. So when I
Hmm.
started my English journey, I knew neither grammar nor how to speak English. Okay. So first, I have to learn grammar because I didn't know about grammar. What is the do, does, is, am, are, do, okay, yeah, has, have, what is the helping verb, okay, what is the sentence, what is the modal, what is conditional. I didn't know. So first I had to learn grammar so that I would comprehend everything. Okay, after that when I learned grammar, after that I started making a small sentence like I get up in the morning time, I'm doing work, I'm making tea, my boss comes every day. Okay, when I felt comfortable to make sentence, after that, I started practicing, an audio call. Okay,
Okay.
because at that time I was not comfortable to talk on the video call. When I felt now I can talk on the video call. After that, I started, practicing on the video call. But I faced problem. But I, according to me, grammar is very very important in the first time in Sri you know basic
Hmm.
grammar, then you can speak English. If you don't know basic grammar, then for learning English, it's very challenging. Okay, so definitely, it was a very daunting task for me. I have improved, and still I'm improving. You can say. Okay, the first I learned grammar. After that, I started making sentence. How to
Hmm.
make.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, you are absolutely right, because we should have the desire, we should have the interest to learn anything. If
Yeah.
if we have passion to learn, to do anything, so definitely we'll get our goal and we'll learn. And if I talk this language, so practice is
Boss
necessary.
is sorry
And
for interrupting you. Sorry for interrupting you. My boss is calling to me. Okay. My boss is calling to me. Okay.
okay, 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 so have a nice day. Okay, it was nice conversation. Salman Chaji, Bilu Azrayu Gorta ka deu talam Rabaldam in the mud.
Sir, I have
Ah,
come. Sorry for that. Actually, my boss called me. Okay.
okay, okay. Okay, no issue, sir. It is a part of our
Uh,
life. It is a part of
uh,
especially your job.
Actually, sir, today weather is good. Okay. So it is
Yeah.
raining today. So he told me that to train the pigeon. Okay.
Okay,
So I'm
okay,
going to train the pigeon, sir. Okay.
okay, okay, okay,
And
okay, okay.
we will meet next time, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. And really, it was a nice conversation with you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye.